Hey guys, welcome to El Regio y La China. Today I got a couple news for y'all. Before we start, make sure you hop back the like button and watch the ads. Don't skip the ads, alright? So let's get started. Driver stabs, robs couple in Cavite. Female victim dies. Let's take a look. What happened. It was a married couple, right? And they were stabbed by their trusted driver in Cavite. This happened in Cavite. The female died because of the injuries she had. She had stabbing wounds, all right? So around 2 a.m. on Thursday, Marlon and Sherry Cantuba traveled from Candaba, Pampanga to Cavite to pick up frozen meat products. So basically they're resellers and they were looking for some cheaper stuff, alright? So the couple traveled with the driver, Jomar Domingo Tambao, who had insisted on driving them to a place where they could get cheap products, alright? So basically he already knew how much money they had and everything, and basically it was a setup, alright? He told them that he would take care of the transaction, and then they came with the money, and he took them to a certain destination, to a remote area, where then he committed the crimes. All right. Let's see if we can take a look, and let's take a look at the video right now. All right, so basically this is a couple right here, right? Basically he took them there and he stabbed her first, and the husband tried to save her, but it was too late. She ended up dying either way in the hospital. And the guy right now, he's on the loose. They think he's going to Pampanga or Manila, and he took out with 3 million pesos. That's how much he had. Let's take a look at the video. One second. All right, so let's watch the video.
Pinagnakawan na, pinagsasaksak pa. Ganyan ang malagim na sinapit ng mag-asawang negosyante sa kamay ng pinagkatiwalaan nilang driver. Tunghayan sa aking eksklusibong pagtutok. Pasado alas 2 kahapon ng madaling araw, bumiyahe mula Candaba, Pampanga, Panaig, Cavite ang mag-asawang Marlon at Chari Cantuba para mag-angkat ng panindang frozen meat products. Kasama na mag-asawang bumiyahe ang driver nilang si Jomar Domingo Tambo, na siya ring daw nagpresentang sasama papunta sa lugar kung saan makakakuha ng murang mga produkto.
Siya na daw po bahala sa transaksyon, basta sasama lang daw po sila, dala daw po yung pera. Nag-alok siya sa mababang halaga. Siyempre po, bilang negosyante, gusto pong subukan o i-grab po yung opportunity na ito pong mag-asawa.
Pero pagdating sa bayan ng Naik, nagpahinto umano si Tambo sa liblib na bahagi para umihi. Dito na raw naganap ang krimen. Unang inundayan ng saksak ni Tambo si Marlon, na kahit tumumbat may mga tama na raw ng saksak ay nakabak.
Siyante, gusto pong subukan o i-grab po yung
they're gonna block the what do you call it? The video. So yeah, he's still on the run in Manila or Pampanga. So yeah. Well, this is it for today, guys. Thanks for joining. Remember, if you want to support the channel, descriptions are in the link, our Zelle, our PayPal. Also, if you want to become a member of the channel, you can do that too. Ta-da! Let's go!